Hi everybody, welcome to AlphaCars in Ural, New England. My name is Daryl and I'm here to show you another one of our beautiful pre-owned motorcycles that we have in our stock. This one is a 2013 Ural Patrol. This Patrol has a blacked out drivetrain. Comes with an aftermarket GV windshield as well as the factory options like the sidecar windshield, spare tire and rack, and the Patrol 2-up style seat. As you can see, the bike is in awesome condition. Paint looks great. This is a 2-wheel drive motorcycle just like our gear ups were. And as you can see, we've been through the motorcycle. We've taken care of any service or mechanical issues it needs, so it's ready for the new owner to enjoy. The bike has 7,100 kilometers on it, and like I say, we've already been through it, took care of everything, so she's ready to go. You can get more information about this bike as well as everything else we have in our inventory on our website at alphacars.com. My name is Daryl. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.